Hey there, tech fans. Rick here again with a quick review of the River 2 portable power station from EcoFlow. This product includes some of the very latest technology available in portable power stations and provides everything you'll need for a nice long weekend of camping, a road trip, or your next hike. It has plenty of power, plenty of outlets to charge and operate all of your portable devices, and it's incredibly easy to use. Now, before I get too deep into all the benefits this product provides, I always like to start with an unboxing just to show you everything that's included with the product. And then I'll cover the specifications because EcoFlow has built a product here that really has the perfect balance of portability and power to serve all your needs when you're out there in the field. And then I'll actually talk a little bit about some of the cool technology that EcoFlow has built into this product that you may not find in other products on the market. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first open up the box, you'll find the River 2 portable power station, and two charging options are also included. An AC cord for charging it at home, and a DC cord you can use in your car by plugging this into a convenience outlet and plugging this into the back of the unit. You'll also find a full instruction manual. Now, the product itself provides 256 watt hours of internal capacity, which provides 300 watts of external charging and operating capabilities that can actually surge to 600 watts. And that's one of the features that separates it from a lot of other portable power stations. It has circuitry inside that allows you to draw a little extra current when you need it. For example, if you plug in a drill or a blender or anything that draws a little bit more current when it first turns on, the unit can handle it perfectly fine. It also uses the very latest battery technology. It's lithium iron phosphate batteries. A lot of these portable power stations are still using LiPo technology, which doesn't have a lot of charge cycles. It doesn't handle warm weather and cold weather very well, and it takes forever to charge those type of batteries. This unit, because it's got lithium iron phosphate batteries in it, means that you'll get well over 3,000 recharge cycles out of it, and if you do the math on that, that's well over 10 years of use. Another nice feature that EcoFlow has built into the product is you'll find that you don't have an external charging brick. A lot of these portable power stations require this DC converter, which basically takes the AC in your home, converts it to DC to charge the unit. And the problem with those external bricks is that they're incredibly inefficient. You're wasting a lot of energy in that conversion. Plus, they take a long time to charge the portable power stations. This one charges directly off of an AC outlet in your home or off the DC outlet in your car. And the nice part about that is that EcoFlow is doing that conversion inside the unit, and it's incredibly efficient. It's up to 90% efficient, so it takes the AC, converts it to DC really quickly and really safely to charge those batteries. The benefit of that is you can charge this unit fully in less than an hour, which is absolutely incredible. You can charge it while you're packing for your trip. Other portable power stations could take 3 or 4 hours to charge, then you're waiting for the unit to finish. Another nice feature is you can charge the unit and use it at the same time. So you can plug it in at home, plug in all your portable devices while you're charging the unit, and charge those external devices as well. And again, the battery technology is incredibly efficient. It also has a very advanced battery management system inside, which manages the charge of the batteries and also manages how that charge is delivered to external devices. All right, so let's pretend you've charged the unit at home. You've got those batteries fully charged. You're out in the field. How can you use that internal power to charge and operate all your devices? Well, there are 3 ways you can deliver that power through most of the power stations on the market: AC output, DC output like in your car, and USB output. This unit has all 3. So on the DC output port, you've got a single port right there, which is just the same as in your car, and that'll provide 12 volts at 10 amps. That's a lot of current from a 12 volt outlet. So pretty much anything you plug in your car, you can plug into that outlet and it'll operate just fine. It also has an AC output. There are 2 AC outlets right there. Both of those together can deliver up to 300 watts of power that can surge to 600 watts. The other nice thing about the AC, unlike a lot of other portable power stations, is that it's a pure sine wave output, and that's really important if you're plugging in really sensitive electronics like a laptop or a game console to charge that. So you've got 300 watts of output, pure sine wave there. The nice thing about this unit is it provides a wide range of different USB ports as well. Now, USB comes in 2 different flavors, typically USB-A, which is the older style, the larger connector, and USB-C, which is the newer style. This unit provides 2 full-sized USB-A ports. Both of those deliver 5 volts at 2.4 amps. That's the largest amount of current you'll find in a USB charger. So anything you're plugging into a wall charger at home, you can plug into one of those USB-A ports, and you can charge those devices. And you can charge them at the same time. It also provides a single USB USB-C port, and that's the newer standard. It's a smaller connector, but it's used on a lot of newer game consoles and phones and tablets and things like that. The nice thing about the USB-C port in this unit is that it's a quick charging port. It uses PD or power delivery technology, which will basically look at whatever you've plugged into the unit, and if it's a PD compatible device, this will recognize that. It'll check the power level of that device, and it can adjust dynamically the current and the voltage it's sending to that device to safely and quickly charge it, so you can really quickly charge external devices. That USB-C port is also bi-directional, which means I can charge this off an AC unit at home, the DC unit in my car, I can charge it off a solar panel, or I can plug it into a USB charger and actually charge the unit through that USB-C port. So you've got AC output, DC output, and a wide range of USB output as well. So all of those can be used at the same time. One other really nice feature is you can use this as a UPS, which is uninterruptible power supply at home. So if you plug this into the wall and you plug your computer into it, if you lose power at home, this springs into action in less than 30 milliseconds, which means you're going to immediately get access to the AC and your computer is going to continue to run. So it's really nice to use it at home. The final thing I'll mention is that EcoFlow has built this to be compatible with an application that you can manage all of the aspects of the product from that application, understand exactly how well it's charging, how it's discharging, how much power is left. You can check all the important things about the unit through the application. And the very last thing I'd like to mention is there's a beautiful display in the front that gives you all the information you'll ever need to know about the product when it's operating, how much current's going in when it's charging, how much current's coming out when you're charging other things from it, and more importantly, how much time do you have left on the charge in the unit, because if you're on your third day of a camping trip and the power's getting a little low inside the unit, it's really important you understand how much power's left and how long you can run it before you're out of power, so you can plug in the things that really matter for that last day. And that's pretty much all I had to say about it. It's a fantastic unit. It weighs about 7 pounds, 11 ounces. And again, for 300 watts of power, you're getting a really nice unit here that's got plenty of energy, again, to charge and operate all of your devices when you're away from home. So hopefully you found this review helpful. I like this product an awful lot. I've been using it for a couple of months, and I think you're going to like it as well. So thanks very much for watching. And until next time, as always, stay nerdy.